How to fix CPU usage 100% issue in Windows. To fix CPU usage 100% issue in Windows, try 1. Terminate any process, ES, that consume lots of CPU resources. 2. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Fix potential Windows stability issues via SFC and DISM scans. 4. Set for to start at HKey_local_machine \system\current control set \services \time broker in registry editor. 5. Run a full antivirus scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Run your system in Windows Clean Boot. 7. Disable allow downloads from other PCs in delivery optimization under Windows Update. 8. Turn off the feature get tips, tricks, and suggestions as you use Windows in notification settings.